Another lovely view of Hong Kong, this time from my suite in Mandarin Oriental. I moved over to the island and the sun is now out. How gorgeous! Marvelous blend of old buildings and brand new. Going around the suite. Fruit and cream in rather like science files. I've got a bottle of Chateau Talbot. Wow. 2016. Beautiful fan. Storage with my 2 bags already here. Two-way bathroom, so you can see from the shower either into the main bathroom I like the way they've got double everything, so 2 mouthwashes, one for one basin, one for the other. And then through to the bedroom, where they've put out lots of extra towels and a spare pillow slip. And also I've got a pair of pajamas. Actually, it's not pajamas, it's a yukata.